Welcome back to another crypto video. What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna look at Gala games today, and boy has it surged. We were literally just talking about this a few days ago, and if you did hop in that sort of trade position, you'd be probably smiling right now, and you're gonna see why in a moment. So of course, just want to say thanks to the patrons as well, lovely people. Thank you for that continued support, amazing, and I hope everyone is doing great. So Gala Games is now 0.37 cents, and we had another huge pump on that daily time frame. So this is a quick kind of update video, to be honest, and we can see on the 24 hours we've been pumped 13.4%, which is pretty damn whopping. It's very explosive, and on the 30 days, you know, we're up 7.9. On that 2 weeks, we've nearly made 100% of our gains. $10,000 would be 18 something $1,000. That is absolutely insane. And we want to have just a little look really at the charts to see whether it is still too late to kind of get back in. Are there any hidden bearish divergences, things like that that we should be looking out for? We can see Gala currently has a market cap of 2.787 billion and circulating supply of 7.5 billion tokens. So we're not yet fully diluted. However, you know, it's still looking really strong, really healthy. They're making new games, new developments day by day. And make sure you do also hop into that Discord down below in the description. We've got lots of people in here now, around 70 people strong. So do join the Discord whilst it's still accessible. So let's hop into those charts. So on the daily time frame, we are seriously pumped. I mean, 70 RSI already from a few days ago, where we're at 32 on the RSI. We were talking about all of these resistance levels, the 25 cents, the 28 cents, the 33 cents, and if we go to the 4 hour time frame, you're going to see pretty much consolidation at each level. You know, we came back down as well. We retested this 0.33, and I was saying if we get rejected here, we come back down to this 0.29, potentially retest as support before coming back up, retesting the 0.33 resistance. So we have flipped every single one of these into lovely support levels. That is unbelievable, literally in the span of a few days. So we had this big symmetrical triangle, we've broken out, consolidated, broken out, bull flag, broken out to the upside again. So we're on that 4 hour time frame. We are now seeing that bearish divergence. So you see where the price comes higher, but the RSI is dropping. That's usually a bearish divergence, so it's not looking too good. Maybe I would steer clear for now, because this is usually a lagging indicator, and usually it does tell you that the price may come back down. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do retest that $0.33 level and maybe consolidate around there. If we use our Fibonacci extension anyway, our retracement, my bad, we can see that the $0.32 would be the golden fib ratio. However, we could just easily come back down to the 0.382 or the 0.5, either at 0.34 or 0.433 cents. So there's a few different things that could happen, but I think, you know, we're at a key level of support right now. Also, this particular wick over here shows a lot of strength too. So that 0.36 is another support level, just looking over there at the previous swing high from before. So this was clearly a massive accumulation phase for Gala, and it's played out quite well. What I think can happen now, if we go into the hourly time frame, is just have a look. You can see high, low, high. Maybe we come down, make another swing low. If we could, because it is looking like a rising wedge, which is also quite bearish, guys. So maybe we come down on this rising wedge. We meet support about 0.33 support before moving to the upside. But I do think we've moved too quickly. We've had that expansion of greed, euphoria, thrill very quickly, and now the upside potential is diminishing and the downside potential is increasing. So any long positions now are much riskier than they were back down here literally 2 days ago. So if you're getting involved now, you're FOMOing in, and I would say the best thing to do, even though it's not financial advice, is just to admit that you've missed the pump and don't take the risk. Don't take the risk now. Maybe just look for other projects that have similar consolidation in undervaluation ranges that have lost significant levels of support. But I want to tell you that if we do break out of this particular level, we will be coming back up to around the 0.43 level. So if we break this resistance here at 0.37, we'll come up to around 0.43. where we have a lot of resistance once again at this particular level. So that's the challenge now. We're coming up to this range. Of course, we saw a huge capitulation, a massive drop off before around January, but if we can come back through this resistance, we're going to see that $0.43 quite soon. But just bear in mind that we have got that bearish divergence on the time frames. We've got the high, low, high, so maybe we're more likely to get that low come in now, guys. Something like this. Maybe we retest the supports, move forward. Can't predict the future, but I do think we're more likely to come down for the short term. 30-minute time frame, we are still looking pretty strong though, even on the 15-minute time frame, which is bullish, so strong, guys. This project is kicking off, literally kicking off. So that's about a wrap, really. If you are new here, do make sure you smash that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, join the Discord. Yeah, some lovely individuals in here, and make sure you also, if you want to become a patron, you'll be listed on this list right here. It's literally just the price of a coffee. You'll receive one-on-one messaging, premium Discord access, and also my ebook as well, which has just vanished. Here it is, my ebook, which has helped many people understand cryptocurrency market cycles, how to allocate capital, diversify, and much more. So if you like the video, do all of those things, but most importantly, join that Discord channel, because it'd be great to see you in there. Make sure you say hi. Anyway, guys, see you in the next video. Take care.